Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, let's make something delicious to spread on our pumpkin bread, our buttermilk biscuits, our sweet potato rolls, all those delicious treats that we're going to be pulling out of our oven this fall. We're going to make this delicious maple cream cheese spread. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to make a delicious maple cream cheese spread that's perfect for putting out with your pumpkin bread or your sweet potato rolls or your baking powder biscuits that you're going to be making, because fall is here and all those yummy things are going to be coming out of your kitchen. So first you're going to need a brick of cream cheese. So this is 8 ounces, half a pound, softened at room temperature, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can use pancake syrup if you like. It's entirely up to you. This is the only sweetener we'll be adding. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, a teaspoon each of vanilla extract and maple extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is entirely optional, but anything sweet needs a little bit of salt. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna whip all of this together. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our hand mixer or our stand mixer, and we're gonna whip up this cream cheese until it's light and fluffy. Next thing we're gonna do is just get your spatula and let's just knock this all down into the center of the bowl here. Now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put all of these ingredients in the bowl. So there goes our salt, our maple syrup or pancake syrup, our maple extract, our vanilla. And you guys, if you don't have maple extract but you have maple pancake syrup, don't worry about it. We're gonna put a little bit of this heavy cream in there and we're gonna save the rest off to the side, and we're gonna just go ahead and whip all of this together. We're all done beating this together. I'm not going to add any more of the heavy cream, and this looks a little bit loose because it's room temperature, so keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator for about a half an hour, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you what it looks like spread on a delicious piece of pumpkin bread. Well, there you have it, our maple cream cheese spread. I only had it in the fridge for about an hour. It's still a little bit on the soft side, but still utterly delicious. I went ahead and I spread a piece of pumpkin bread. This is the same pumpkin bread recipe that I made with the streusel on it a couple videos back, but this one is just a plain pumpkin loaf because sometimes you're in a hurry and you just want to get it done. So, do you want to taste this?
If I have to.
Let's give this a taste. Oh, that's good.
That works so well with it.
This is not overly sweet. If you want it to be sweeter, you can add a half a cup of powdered sugar, which will also help stiffen it a little, so it'll be like icing, really. But that's delicious, people. Really, really good. The cream cheese is tangy, and we've got that salt going on in there, so it offsets the maple just perfectly, and it's just ever so slightly sweet. But when you pair it with the sweetness of the pumpkin bread, it really does bring everything together.
It's heaven.
He said it. You heard it here first. So that is how you make a delicious maple cream cheese spread. Super easy to throw together. You can keep it in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. Do not freeze this because cream cheese doesn't freeze that well. And you'll be good to go. So I hope you give this maple cream cheese spread a try sometime soon. And I hope you love it. Until next time, I'll see ya.